This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a nice Shopify store. First, you need to lay a strong foundation. Begin by clearly defining your niche and understanding your ideal customer. This focus will guide all your decisions, from product selection to marketing efforts. Next, choose a visually appealing and mobile-responsive theme that reflects your brand's aesthetic. Finally, meticulously set up your store's core functions, including shipping rates, payment gateways, and tax settings, ensuring a smooth operational start. A great user experience is crucial for converting visitors into customers. Your store should load swiftly, ideally within 2 to 3 seconds, to prevent bounce rates. Invest in professional, high-resolution product photography and consider short video demonstrations to showcase items effectively. Create intuitive navigation menus and a highly visible search bar so customers can easily find what they need. Remember, over 50% of online traffic comes from mobile devices, so a seamless mobile experience is non-negotiable. Presenting your products effectively is key to driving sales. Craft detailed, engaging product descriptions that highlight benefits and address potential customer queries. Social proof is powerful, so prominently feature customer reviews and testimonials on your product pages. Offer a variety of secure payment options, including major credit cards and popular digital wallets, to accommodate all preferences. Clearly communicate your return policies and provide a comprehensive, frequently asked questions section to build trust. Once your store is polished, it's time to attract customers and grow your business. Implement strong search engine optimization, or SEO, strategies to improve your organic search rankings and visibility. Build an email list and use email marketing to nurture leads, announce new products, and offer exclusive promotions. Actively engage with your audience on relevant social media platforms. Finally, consider targeted paid advertising campaigns to reach a wider audience and accelerate sales growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.